HVAC problems? Straightforward's got you covered. Here's why. With over 20 years in the industry, our team has the knowledge and expertise to handle any challenge, ensuring top-notch service all time. We pride ourselves on maintaining the highest levels of professionalism, delivering reliable and respectful service that you can trust. Our commitment to honesty and integrity means you get straightforward, transparent service with no hidden fees or surprises. We use the latest technology and techniques to provide superior HVAC services, ensuring your systems are efficient and effective.